If you're wondering how to pay employees super in Xero, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make superannuation payments in Xero, from setting it up to actually processing it. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, I'll keep things simple and efficient so you can get the job done without any hassle. To start, if you're not already using Xero, you can sign up today and try it completely free, using the first link below to access our exclusive bonuses and extended free trial. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to process employee super payments like a pro. First, let's make sure you have all the basics set up in Xero. Before paying any super, you'll need to make sure your employee details are correct, including their super fund and payment details. If you haven't done this yet, you can add or update an employee's super fund information by navigating to the employee's profile in Xero, going to the payroll tab, and selecting superannuation to choose the right super fund. Now, let's dive into the actual process of paying super. Once your employee super details are set up, you can calculate and pay super directly from Xero. Head to the payroll section and click on pay runs. In the pay run, Xero will automatically calculate the super contributions based on the earnings and the set rate for each employee. Once you've reviewed the pay run and confirmed all the amounts are correct, including the super contributions, you're ready to make the payment. Xero allows you to generate a superannuation clearinghouse payment file, which you can use to pay the super to the various super funds. Just click on Pay Super, and Xero will generate a report with all the relevant details for each super fund. If you've enabled the superannuation payment service through Xero, you can use their clearinghouse feature, which simplifies the process even further by paying all your employees' super contributions in one transaction. This saves you time and ensures that your payments are made correctly. But if you prefer, you can also manually process the payments outside of Xero and mark them as paid. Make sure to always check your super payments regularly to ensure that everything is on track. Xero also provides reports that help you keep track of your super obligations, so you're never left guessing if everything has been paid correctly. You can access these reports through the payroll section by selecting superannuation and then viewing the contributions for each employee. Remember, paying employees super in Xero is simple once you have everything set up. It just requires a few clicks to calculate, review, and pay super to the correct funds. If you're unsure, don't worry. Xero's support team is available to help, or you can refer to their detailed help guides for more information. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the link below for an extended free trial to Xero, complete with exclusive bonuses, to see how easy it can be to manage payroll and super payments for your business. So that's all there is to it. Paying employees super in Xero is straightforward and a great way to stay on top of your financial obligations.